Marlene here from Uniquely Ella. I'm glad you're here. Thanks for coming. I have a quick little video today. I want to share this pretty little kit. It's called Du le Jardin, which means in the garden, and it's I named it French because I just love anything to do with France. I love, but I know I botched that up because I can barely speak English. So let's get started. This collection has 3 kits. It has the tall journal pages. It comes, that's one kit, and then the French documents, and then the ephemera kit. So I'm going to quickly show you the possibilities around this. The tall journal pages obviously is for like tall journals. Look how pretty that would look. Wouldn't that look pretty like the cover of a journal? I think it would be lovely. And this is the back page. The tall journal kit comes, it has 2 zip drives, and it's a total of 6 pages, 5 tall pages, and then the backing. But I kind of mix because my kits all go together because they're kind of pastel-y and soft and a lot of neutral. So I mix some of the background pages with some other kits that I have. I mean, you don't have to use the background page with this kit, but I did. I mixed them up. I love these images. Most of these images are from the Graphic Fairy, and you know, we use them all the time. Every single artist has their own take on them, but you have seen some of these images. I tried to mainly keep it semi-neutral, but you know, with primarily the pinks and the aquas. And again, I'm trying to get better and better at my shading and my layering. This is so much fun, guys. This is like addictive. I mean, I still have much to learn. I'm still learning. Look at this image of this dragonfly. Isn't that beautiful? I like it so much that I made that the header to my Facebook page. And these lovely young ladies, they are so beautiful and elegant looking. I think they look so beautiful. I have a couple of pages with the images. I try to do like a focal point, and then I try to do one a little bit more, I call it a little bit more neutral, but it's not really. This one, the primary, is the flower. And I can't wait to use these guys. Like you can tell, see, these come with a little border, but I already cut it because I'm getting ready to start a journal. So I wanted to share them with you. I think this one is this one that I printed it twice. Yep. So these are the tall pages. I'm going to link my stores underneath so you can go and just look at them again. This one is, these are the French document pages, which are really, I tried to keep the document where it was visible and then do like a little bit of accents with the paper collection, either up here or on the corners or on the side. But I tried to keep as much as the document, because the document is beautiful by itself, visible as possible. And of course, you know, you can journal here anywhere you like. So I think if you intermingle the document pages with the tall journal pages, it would make for a lovely journal. This one I love. And then here I try to pick French documents that had the cream in the background. I don't know why I did that. And I love how these kind of fade away, the little butterflies. This one, plenty of space. That one. Then this other one. And then see these, I did like a little neutral, just a neutral. You don't have to, like I said. And then this one, this is from another kit. This background is from another kit, but I thought it would look really nice here. See, plenty of spaces. I really like how these document pages. This is the background for this kit, for the French document. This is the background page that comes with it, but you don't have to use it. I think what I'm going to do with mine, I want to make a little mini journal, and I think I'm going to use a lot of the background pages from all my kids together, all my background pages, and make like one little mini journal. I think that would look nice. Now this is the French document is also 2 zip drives, and it's 6 pages for a total of 5 of the French documents with 1 background page. Same thing with the ephemera kit. You get 2 zip drives, 6 pages, that's 5 pages and 1 background page. And I love the ephemera kit. I played around with this little postcard, and I had to use a little dragonfly again. I had to. So this is a strip of the, I think it's the wallpaper, and I just added, try to use as much of the spaces as I possibly could, not to leave any blank spaces, so that you can utilize as much of the page as possible. Here I did some blues and some aquas, and I think these will look lovely. I love that stamp. I did a little bit of, I did my own touches. Some I left as is, but some I added a little bit of my touches. And then what I went ahead and I printed 4 of my favorite pages, tall pages, in 1 page. And I did mine on cardstock because I want to use it as a journaling card. I want to use them as journaling cards. But I gave you the tall pages in like this size. And then of course I had to print the lovely ladies. And these are, oh, I love that. This is from a I think it's Under the Sea or some kind of water theme kit, but I thought the color was beautiful, very flowy, and I thought it went well with these colors. And then finally I printed these not on cardstock because I want to fold them in half. These are the two other tall pages, and my plan is to fold these in half. Of course, we cut that off, and fold them in half and make them like little smaller journaling little tucks. And this is the background page for the ephemera kit. So here it is in the garden, guys. Again, thank you. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you're liking what you see. If you have any suggestions, any ideas on any colors, any theme, anything that you can push me to try to research and see if something that you would want me to create, just let me know. That's what I'm here for. Thank you, guys. And again, like always, if you use anything, any kits of mine or any project that you do, please tag me on Instagram, and I would love to share your project on my Instagram stories. Thank you, guys. Thanks for watching. God bless. Bye-bye.